After the first challenge, cannot believe it. It should have been his point. He should have thrashed me, but some weird odds. Shut up. Dog barking. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so we're on challenge two. And yeah, let's see if someone can take the lead. Basically this challenge, again, I'm copying Jake and Chris. This is gonna be who can drink a fizzy drink without burping. It's yeah, and basically the first one to burp loses. Okay, it's harder than you think. Honestly, you're not, because like your instinct is to go, but you're not allowed to do that. You do that, you lose. Well, like, if I finish first, it doesn't matter. I'm still not allowed to burp. It's the first one to burp that loses. Okay? Right. Don't burp. So you're not allowed to go. Get it out now if you need to. Okay, ready? Here we go. Remember, don't burp. It'll be your instinct to burp. I'm trying. Oh. It hurts trying not to burp. Now do it! Oh, it's got, what's it called? Nose freeze, brain freeze. Oh, yeah, finish. Did you just burp? Nope. I farted. I'm so close. I need to burp. So burp. Oh my god, I nearly did it. Oh my god, I want to burp. That was... that was a burp. That's so much. That is a drink. Okay. Look. Alright, we're getting straight up. Yeah. No, that was a funny little throat noise. Okay. It's not over. I need a butt. Yeah. Did you win? I'm gonna drink mine, remember? Oh my god. Oh, I'm farting as well. Oh, it's emotional. No, it doesn't poop. Anyway. Right, challenge 2. I win. Mitchell is the Mitchell is the victor. She burped first. After a bit. I had a little burp before I go. After an absolutely pathetic burp by me, I let it go by. Wasn't that a pathetic burp?